welcome back naman channel today guys. So, pupunta tayo dito sa YouTube. Tapos, para makararo tayo dito ng ano guys. So, dahil lang natin. Ito guys, ang ganda ng ano ko guys. Ito yung tao ko na bahay. So guys, I'm gonna teach you ways to teach you a hiding spots guys. So, this is it. First, it's so dark. We need to sleep now, okay? Oh, I'm so sleepy, guys. Now let's go to this. Let's go. Okay. Now let's go, guys. So let's get started now. Okay. So these secret hiding spots, no one will ever see this. Okay, I'm gonna teach you. Okay, this is it guys. So you need to cross like that, and
susukuban mo. Dito ka Kayla.
Kaya nga rin ka dyan, bantayan mo.
Dito ka. Susunod tayo ko ng larong ganyan Kayla ah. Set mo nga muna ito, set mo nga muna na. Para set mo nga muna ito, para bantayan mo si Kayla. Para.
now you put in here. And that's how you make a secret hiding spot. Your friends will never see this because I have a secret hiding spot. And get some, here's some coal. The coal will be like, if you see a coal, you stick it and put it a light because that's so whack. Oh no. What am I doing, guys? I'm so sorry. Guys, this is it. So, this is it. So, like that. And go, and go. And go. And go. And go. And go. And go.
Laro din naman na nagsabi si daddy mo uto-utoin siya. Huwag ka magkukwento ng gano'n.
Bakit?
Ha?
Ano yun?
Wala naman yan. Wala yung warin.
Huwag ka magkukwento, magsasalita doon kay Lola Rinan na sinabi ni daddy uto-utoin siya. Ha?
Bakit ano?
Magalit yun.
Ano yun?
Ha?
Bakit ano yun?
Basta huwag kang magsalita ng mga kung ano-ano na intindihan mo yung uto-uto na yan, ha? Ha? Uy!
Papa.
Ano sinasabi mo nga? Lola Rina, sarap na dito.
Put it in here, guys. So we need some book in here. Okay, we need some book at here so we can read a book. That's so crazy. This is a book. If you broke this, you can have a book. And this is, and you can get, if you want to get more some secret hiding spots. And no, and here, okay, and there's no TMT right here. I'm gonna just set
Ba't hindi mo patulugin?
there.
Ito nandito.
There. there, dade, there, dear, at there
Tulog na sila. Patayin mo na. Sila.
is D and D. Oh, I forgot. There,
Saan gamot dito?
there
Sa birthday ni Kayla, nasa islang gagawin pwede mag-video. Kaya nga mas
Ay,
is
sus na.
gabi.
Hanggang sa
Alas 9.
alas 6 ng gabi?
and
Hanggang alas 9.
D.
Ng gabi? Ang umpisa?
Here,
Bakit sa umaga hindi pwede?
round,
Pwede kasi nga may online classes yung mga bata.
Alas 6 hanggang alas 7 ng gabi.
round, round.
Pwede magpatugtog.
Ha?
Pwede magpatugtog.
What the heck is happening,
Ay,
guys?
kahit madaan-daan din sa loob ng bahay, di ka pwede magpatugtog.
There is
Pwedeng dahan pero huwag yung nakakabuong ng buong kabahayan.
Ay, siyempre.
Halimbawa, mga tayo na nakakarinig, di pwede.
Ha? Sige. I-describe mo pa.
rank.
Wala.
Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. So that is there is a prank. Okay.
Taguan, maliwanag ang buwan.
If they
Sa likod,
will not
wala sa
get
harap.
they will not get your diamond because they don't know there's no TNT. Now let's get. How about like this, guys? We need some obsidian and we need some bedrock. Okay. First, we need some like this and like this and like this and this and this. Okay. Now let's go. Okay, and here, that is it, and no, wait, okay, and water, and there, and some more, and let's go,
Ano gusto mo?
and
Apay may labo.
go, and
Usap tayo.
let's get some, okay.
Sige. Matanda mo na kapay may labo.
And
Tikit na mata.
need some lights. I don't care about the zombies. Besides, I am crazy back here. And
Ganito.
what the hell
A,
is
O,
happening?
I,
Okay. Sabi pangkat ko.
tot na
Here.
pala.
That's how you make some secret hiding spots. Now let's get
Na
back.
pala, hindi humuntot.
Oh, I forgot something, guys. I'm so sorry.
Tot na
And
pala.
let's go again. Should we park?
Kaya
They know there is no hiding spots out here.
ipang-bili.
So guys, don't tell this anyone, or at least you fail. And if you do that, your friends, all of your secret hiding spots, they will know. Okay? Don't say anyone. Okay? I'm warning you. Okay. So guys, just say.
Mauntog ka nga.
So guys, make sure to like and subscribe, guys.
Sino na
Okay. make sure to like and subscribe, guys. And let's go to and subscribe and click the bell and click the all button, okay, guys? Okay. Now let's go to the let's go to person. Okay, now let's go to the jelly store and .com. Make sure to get some, and this is our hiding spots. See this is 1,000 because it's have diamonds. The diamonds needs a 1,000. The iron sword is 5, and the golden sword is 999. So this bone shot is just for free. This is just for free. This bone shot is just for free, guys. So next time, bye bye.